There's two more,
about Tintin.
Tintin, ano na nangyari sa inyo? Ano nangyari sa kwarto niya?
Wala lang.
Nothing.
Chikan kami ni Pamo.
They're talking now inside the room.
No, I mean, talk to about visitor.
Yeah, the visitor. They're talking
Naanto ka pa rin?
Yeah, not really. They were, how do you say it, arrogant like that. They are, show off, like, who is the best, like that.
Kahit
Who's the best?
kahit hindi ka na mag-big four, at least paglabas mo, sikat ka na. Kasi yung ginawa niya eksena din sa sa kwarto mo.
Tapos?
Ha?
Tapos? Sinabi niya sa'yo?
Hindi.
Na nag-uusap sila?
Gusto raw kasi makababy. Damulag na siya eh.
Mukha siya sanggol eh.
Baka raw.
Cute niya, sarap kalagaan.
Wow, mahigit mo mga katalagaan. Parang pedophilia lang.
Ay, huwag kong gulong gawin.
Tatanda mo
First
na.
lang kami yan, first lang kami. Ay, first lang tayo, ha? First lang tayo.
Wala naman siya sinabing kayo eh. Talaga?
Grabe yung mata ko.
Kailan, maganda ka pa naman.
So, what? How about big
Nothing, they were saying like,
really for?
you don't have to be big four because when you get out, you'll be artista, you'll be famous, like that. That's what they're saying.
Ano yan? Distraction?
Distraction.
Upang ko yan.
Okay ka lang?
Nag-stretching na.
Dapat not manurus kimchi naman.
Ha?
Dapat not manurus. Like kimchi, like other more...
Yeah, kimchi.
Beautiful.
She's pretty, ha? In person, ganda.
But first, if you go, first time to join the PB, I think she's not so beautiful, right?
Who?
Kimchi.
Like normal.
She is.
Yeah. And then she have a
Braces.
dress, right?
But she's cute.
She's lovable.
Ganda niya in person.
Personality.
No, in person, like in real life.
Yun na, also. First time when I saw her.
Habang wala pa silang ganun, habang nagsiswimming pa sila.
First time. Yeah, I saw her.
Hindi nga, baka mamaya pag nagkatakas sila, wala tayong energy.
That time.
Ay, naka muna.
She's not so good. Also, si Jared Anderson. Not so... What?
Nuggets.
Yeah. But after that, wow. It's like a magic. She become very beautiful.
Curly hair.
Curly hair. And Jared Anderson is also become handsome.
Bakit tinataba niya naman?
Sura ni Tansa.
Oh, wala akong sinasabi ah.
Bawal yan, birds. Okay. Whispering yan.
Oh, wala akong sinasabi ah. Wala akong sinabi ah.
Wala.
Sorry.
Sige.
Sorry. Sakit siya.
Parang... Huwag na lang.
Bakit?
Wala.
Parang
May kamukha ka lang.
dami ko naman kamukha.
Yeah. Someone really close to me, actually. Pero, sige lang. Oh, oil. Bang. Yung usok.